here in this border that I left basically unplanted for the winter, and I am just going to go ahead and take this opportunity to plant some potatoes. Here in North Carolina, we can plant potatoes basically year-round, and you know, they'll grow and you just basically harvest them as you need. The great thing about potatoes as an edge is the simple fact that they're in the Solanaceae family. That means their foliage is poisonous to browsing mammals. Now, when planting potatoes as an edge, I don't dig that deep of a hole. I usually go down maybe 12 to 15 inches deep, and I literally just toss the potato right into the hole, cover it back up, and come to the next spot. So now the next step will simply be to top dress this with some seed, and I'll wait to see what germinates and what I can harvest. So what I just did was planted a row of potatoes. Those are just small ones that aren't even growing. I just bought them at the grocery store. And I used my favorite tool, the hand mattock. And then I top dressed them with a mix of buckwheat seed, which I don't even know if it'll work yet. It's still, you know, March. It might not be warm enough for it. And I also did a scattering of carrots and lettuce so that that'll give me some cool color and texture and harvestability as those potatoes start to develop. So it's just a really easy place to do it, right along the edge. It doesn't really get to be more accessible than that. And I'll give you updates in the months to come on how everything starts to grow.